Hmm.
Hello friends, this is Shubham Kushwaha. I'm back with my new video. This is my major project which is on smart wheelchair. Uh, it is a smart wheelchair which will help the disabled person. It can be controlled by voice commands, by hand gestures and also by an Android app which we have developed in a team of 4. In addition, it consists of an ultrasonic sensor which shows the distance on LCD, when the wheelchair is moving backwards. This is the microcontroller, which is the heart of the wheelchair. It is the power supply which we have connected in the wheelchair. It is given by lead acid batteries. This is the ultrasonic sensor. When the wheelchair will move backward, this will sense the distance. It will calculate the distance and show it on the LCD. This will help when the wheelchair is moving backwards, this will help the person sitting on the wheelchair to see whether the obstacle is near or at a distance far away from the wheelchair. And we have added a motor driver IC L293D which will control the movement of the two DC motors M1 and M2. M1 is connected on left and M2 on right of the wheelchair. Also, there is a GSM and GPS module we have connected in the wheelchair. The GSM module which will send the location. The GPS module will send the location to USART and USART will pass on the location to the GSM module, and GSM module is equipped with a SIM card which will send the message to another phone number, to another person. We have also developed an Android app. Android app will be connected to the microcontroller with the help of a Bluetooth. The Bluetooth module HC05, which is available easily on an electronic store, will perform the connectivity. Will perform the connect.
Wirelessly controlled.
Will wirelessly connect the Android app with this microcontroller unit. That is the wheelchair. There is an accelerometer connected with her wheelchair. The accelerometer is a gesture sensor which can sense the gesture of stop, right, up, left and back. Or we can also keep this sensor on our head, which if we look right, the wheelchair will turn right. If we look at left direction, then the wheelchair will move on left. If we keep our head upwards, then it will go backwards, and accordingly we can set the movements. There is an APR voice annunciator, APR 33A3 IC. We have to train this IC first, that if we say this, then you will do this. We can train it and this will announce. This is equipped with a speaker. It can also announce if any announcement we have to do. We have made the PCB layouts of this on the software PCB Wizard. PCB Wizard is a software in which we draw the PCB layout, and there are different utilities in that. We can discuss this later. We can design circuit on that. This is Atmega 16 microcontroller. This is the motor driver IC. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the accelerometer, and this is Bluetooth. This is LCD. LCD is 16 pin device. 16 cross 2 LCD we have used. This is APR 33A3 IC circuit. Moving on to our next PCB, we have used 2 PCBs because all the pins of the Atmega 16 microcontroller were filled. This is the GPS and GSM circuit, which we have. In this we have used the microcontroller Atmega 8L. Atmega 8L consists of 8 KB of ROM. This is MAX 232 IC. We have used 2 MAX 232 IC because if we connect, these are the 2 DB9 connectors. These MAX 232 ICs can receive the signal through the DB9 connector and send it to the GSM and GPS modules. GPS, as I told you earlier, the GPS and GSM modules will send the message and location to the person whom we want to send it. These are the 2 pin diagrams. These are the 2 pin diagrams of Atmega 16 and Atmega 8L. The Atmega 8L is a 20 pin DIP and Atmega 16 is a 40 pin DIP. We have used Atmega 8L because we need fewer pins, and in the main PCB we have used Atmega 16 because we need more pins. The component, these, as I told you earlier, these are the two circuit layouts. These are the two pin diagrams of PCB of microcontroller, and this is the block diagram. The component used I have also explained. Friends, this is our team, Saurabh Kumar, and it's me, Shubham Kushwaha, and my friend Shubham Khatek and Vishnu Vijay. We have developed this in our team of 4. Pause. Okay friends, this is our second poster of the smart wheelchair. As you can see that this is the figure of Atmega 16L. This is the original figure. We have clicked it with our mobile camera. This is the original PCB layout. This is the accelerometer sensor. It is a 5-pin device, which is also called the gesture sensor. This is the battery we have used. This is a LiPo battery. Actually, we have used 2 batteries. One is lead acid and other is LiPo. LiPo battery we have used one. We have not used 2 because they are too costly. And this is the SIM 300 GSM module, which will. This is the SIM tray of the module. The SIM will be inserted here, and this is the GPS antenna. Sorry, GSM antenna, which can receive as well as transmit the signals to the tower. These are the